Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iskan. Today I am going to show you all how to make a lava lamp. You will need a half cup of water, vegetable oil, food coloring, resin tablets, clean bottle and a light. First, pour the water into the bottle. Then slowly pour the oil into the same bottle. Place the bottle over the light. Now add a few drops of food coloring. Break the resin tablet in half and drop into the bottle. Watch what happens now. Isn't it amazing? Do you know why the water and oil did not mix when I poured one over another? It's because water is heavier than oil. Also, when I added the tablet, it sank to the bottom, started dissolving and created a gas. As the gas bubbles rose, they took some of the colored water with them. The gas escaped from the top and the water went down, creating this effect. It's cool, right? I hope you all enjoyed watching this. Jazakallah khairan.